A bike bearing number TR01Q9713 parked in front of Rabindra Bhawan was stolen on Wednesday evening when the owner went to EXPO nearby. After the incident, bike owner Khakupur Debarma filed an FIR at West Agartala police station. On Wednesday evening, KK production owner Khakupur Debarma came to EXPO in the capital. He parked his bike bearing number TR01Q9713 in front of Rabindra Bhawan and went to roam around the EXPO fair. Meanwhile, while returning back from the expo, he saw his bike was missing from the place. After the incident, bike owner Khakupur Debarma filed an FIR at West Agartala police station. But till now, West Agartala police weren't able to search out his bike that was stolen.
Children Park Expo Mela nai family saring ni satawang na Hydro bite berai kalangka ga 30 minute hai aragon hai berai kya Expo Mela wo berai nokor family bite chikri kya ge bite kalangman jaga khang Rabindra Bhawan gate bus kang nok langmani eba phaine himar te bite ma pheli ata amon bagai aisa FIR bite kalangman je FIR khane ni oro kotin thana ma phake
bike ketama bike
by Yamaha FZS by the number TR01Q9713.
Registration nagle samne bongo.
Registration an nuino.
Tamomo.
Khakupur Debarma.
CCTV camera has been installed in every places in the road of Agartala. However, a question is, why can't the police find out the thieves by checking the CCTV footage? Reported by Prabir from Agartala, Chini Khorang.